Honey locust, Gleditsia triacanthos, is one of Wisconsin's native legume trees, one of the few in fact. It's found mostly in southern Wisconsin and prefers riparian zones and cliff tops along the Mississippi and Wisconsin rivers. Gleditsia triacanthos is unique among Wisconsin's legumes in that it has both once pinnately compound leaves, like this one, but also bipinnately compound leaves, like this one here. You can see this leaf, this is a single leaf I'm holding, and it has two axes of branching before the leaflets attach. The leaflets of Gleditsia triacanthos are rather small, maybe 1 to maximum 2 inches long, and they're quite a bit longer than they are broad. And if you look carefully at the leaf margin, you can see very fine teeth. Honey locust leaflets turn a bright yellow in the fall and fall like confetti onto the streets. Another thing to look for on honey locust, since it is a legume, is that at the base of the petiole of the leaf is a little bit of a swelling, a small kind of cylindrical swelling called a pulvinus. This is a characteristic of all legumes and helps separate this tree as a legume from other compound leaf trees. The bark of Gleditsia triacanthos is also very unique. It has these flat, curly plates of differing widths that you can see here. There are some relatively wide plates, like this one here, that curl on the edges. And there are some relatively narrow plates that also curl on the edges. And in the wild type of honey locust, they have these unmistakable branched thorns that are pretty vicious looking, and you can see that they come directly out of the trunk, like here, and also out of the branches. Honey locust is frequently used as a street tree, so it's been bred to have thornless cultivars, thornless varieties. This is Gleditsia triacanthos variety inermis, and you can see that it lacks these branched thorns, which makes a lot of sense if you're going to be planting this tree in neighborhoods. The twigs of Gleditsia triacanthos are characterized by having these knobs on them. Whether they're the thorny variety or the non-thorny variety, these knobs give the tree a somewhat gnarled looking appearance, and particularly in winter when the tree is leafless, these knobby branchlets can really help you identify this tree.